Hey you guys! Samahan nyo ako. This is for our day 1 of product training. First, introduction of the company and then stage 1 discussion in the accounts. Let's go! So here's our outfit of the day. Ooh la la! This is our day 2, stage 2 discussion, first call simulation, and set 2 of our quiz. Outfit check. So, ito yung daddy-daddy na mukha namang mommy. So, I'm wearing Guess, long sleeve, thrifted pants, shoes by Milanos. So, of course, make your own coffee, bitch. Let's go and start your day. Of course, let's go for our day 3, third stage of discussion, second day of our call simulation, and third quiz. Outfit check, Ralph Lauren for my long sleeve, thrifted pants, shoes by Milanos, and TikTok shop for my bag. Hey! Of course, our day 4. So stage 4 of discussion, we review and practice our final call simulation in day 5. Like wing wing, ganon yung atake. So, outfit check of the day. Adidas for my shoes, BNY for my pants, and Anderson for my jacket. Hey! Let's go for our day 5. Oh my God, sobrang kabado malala because this is our final call simulation as well as our final quiz. But kahit kabado, mag-outfit check tayo. Huwag kayong ano dyan. So, I'm wearing Sony for my headset accessories. Armani white t-shirt. Together with that H&M long sleeve, H&M jogger pants, and Adidas with my shoes. Bye! So, after all, the wait is worth it. Like, the result is good and we are on the next pace. So thank you for watching and bye.